A is for Arches, a Utah alphabet book. Today we will be doing C and D. Pay attention as I read it to you so that you know what information to take. C is for coal and copper. The world's first open pit copper mine is near Salt Lake City in Bingham Canyon, called the richest hole on Earth. It covers more than 1,900 acres and is 2.5 miles wide and 3/4 of a mile deep. Since 1906, over 6 billion tons of material have been removed, including gold and silver. Mountain once stood where now there is a deep hole. The state rock is coal, and the mines are located in central and southeast Utah. Although Brigham Young and his followers started the mines, many of the miners were brought to Utah from Italy, China, Finland, Greece, Japan, and Mexico. That is how such a variety of people from all over the world settled in central Utah. The rock and mineral of the state, coal and copper, begin with C. They're found in mines both north and south. Come search for them with me. This might look like a familiar scene. Okay, D. D is for Dixie. Utah does have its own Dixie. Before the Civil War began, the state's leader, Brigham Young, wanted Utah to be more important and produce its own cotton. He did not want to rely on the battling southern states, the original Dixie. In October 1861, he sent settlers to southern Utah to start a new Dixie where they could grow cotton. The settlers named their community St. George, after the local leader George A. Smith. They built a cotton factory. They began producing cloth and cotton stuffing by 1867. The factory stayed open until 1910. Today, this area is still called Utah's Dixie. Did you know there are two Dixies? Utah has its very own, settled in 1860s. Here cotton once has grown.